Okay, so now we're going to show you how to do connections inside of D3M. So first things first, you're going to want to come up to the top of your screen and you're going to want to switch, if you haven't already, from the icon view to the technical view. This allows you to actually see the ports on the items that you're hoping to connect, so that you make sure that you're doing it properly. So first things first, you're going to come over to this switch, and we're going to use this as an example. I want to connect this port to the repeater over here. So I'm going to start to drag it out. As you can see, you can kind of move this line around. But as I get close to the repeater, it's going to jump straight to that LAN port. D3M has some built-in engineering rules, so it understands that these are both IP ports. This would make sense in real life, and it makes that connection for you. Once you release with the mouse, your line's created. You can, of course, change the way that the line is kind of laid out. If you want to move things over here, for example, I can use the right click on my mouse and reset it if I don't like it. So that's kind of nice. So you can edit those sort of things, but you can also click in to your line and actually get the properties to come up. So, same way you do for your repeater, if you do the same for the line, the properties will be displayed here. You can kind of have the one connector at one end, a connector at the other. You can add new properties if it's important. You can also kind of change the pathing stuff. You can go, I want it to be a straight line or not. You can change the color, the width, whatever you like. You can also name it. For example, you could say it's a coax cable, save that, and it'll be displayed on your diagram. So it's a pretty simple process once you understand how to do it, and it can be quite powerful. So that's how you make connections.